Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, due to extreme cold, you have a vacation. So please stay home safely and go through all the PDFs and videos and do your study at your home. Don't waste your time and be careful, be active with your studies. Whatever the notes and PDFs are sending to you, please learn it by heart. Whatever the question and answers given and exercises are given, and complete all the tasks and write in, and also fill your books and complete your fair copies and CWs. Okay, today I am going to explain you the current affairs questions. At least 20 question and answers are there, so complete your CW and also write it in your fair copy. Whenever the school will get reopened, you have to submit for the checking and also learn by heart all the current affairs. So let's start the current affair question and answers. So let's start question number 1. What is the total area of India? What is the total area of India? It means our country India is located in how much, has captured how much area. So the answer is what here? 32,87,263 square kilometer. I repeat it. What is the total area of India? So the total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometers. Okay, then come to the next, that is second one. Which state has the shortest coastline in India? I repeat the question. Which state has the shortest coastline in India? The answer is West Bengal. The answer is what? West Bengal. Spelling is W-E-S-T. West, B-E-N-G-A-L. Bengal. West Bengal. Come to the next, that is third one. Who is the first Indian woman to go into space? Who is the first Indian woman to go into space? Answer is Kalpana Chawla. Answer is what? Kalpana Chawla. Spelling is K-A-L-P-A-N-A. Kalpana, C-H-A-W-L-A. Chawla. So Kalpana Chawla is the first Indian woman to go into space. Then come to the next question, that is, which is the longest river of India? Which is the longest river of India? So you know, I think all of you know the longest river of India is Ganga. G-A-N-G-A. So Ganga river is the longest river of India. Okay, now, so by this we have completed all these 4. Now we go to the next question number 5. So in question number 5, who is the current CM, means Chief Minister of Rajasthan? It is the latest news. I think all of you, if you see the news, you know. Otherwise, not. So today I will tell you who is the current CM of Rajasthan. So the current CM of Rajasthan is Mr. Bhajan Lal Sharma. Mr. Bhajan Lal Sharma is the current Chief Minister of Rajasthan. Spelling is B-A-J-A-H-B-A-J-A-N. Bhajan, L-A-L, Lal, S-H-A-R-M-A, Sharma. Mr. Bhajan Lal Sharma. Next question number 6. Who is the CM of Madhya Pradesh? Who is the CM, means Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh? At present, you know who is the Chief CM of Madhya Pradesh? Mr. Mohan Yadav. Mr. Mohan Yadav. Spelling is M-O-H-A-N. Mohan, Y-A-D-A-V. Yadav. So Mr. Mohan Yadav is the current CM of Madhya Pradesh. Mr. Mohan Yadav is the current CM of Madhya Pradesh. Next is CM of Chhattisgarh. So student, can you guess who is the current Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh? Mr. Vishnu Dev Sai. Who is Mr. Vishnu Dev Sai? Spelling is VISHNU. Vishnu DEO Dev SAI Sai. So Mr. Vishnu Dev Sai is the current CM of Chhattisgarh. And question number 8. Who is the most run scorer in the World Cup 2020? I think most of the students are like to watch cricket and all these sports. So can you tell me who is the most run scorer in the World Cup 2023? Yes, who is? Virat Kohli. VIRAT. Virat KOHLI. Kohli. So Virat Kohli is the most run scorer in the World Cup 2023. So now next question number 9. So see here in question number 9, which is the biggest stadium in India? Can you guess which is the biggest stadium in India at present time? Yes, it is Narendra Modi Stadium. Narendra Modi Stadium. Spelling is NARENDRA. Narendra MODI. Modi. Narendra Modi Stadium. STADIUM. So Narendra Modi Stadium is the biggest stadium in India at present time. Okay, now come to the question number 10. Which country has won ODI Cricket World Cup title most time as 2023? I repeat the question. Which country has won ODI Cricket World Cup title most time as 2023? The name of the country is Australia. The name of the country is Australia. AUSTRALIA. So Australia is the country that has won ODI Cricket World Cup title most time as 2023. So now we have completed total 10 questions. Now we have just move on question number 11. So in question number 11, which is the longest dam in India? Which is the longest dam in India? All of you know which dam is the longest dam in India? It's Hirakud Dam. It's what? Hirakud Dam is the longest dam in India. The spelling of Hirakud is HIRAKUD. Hirakud DAM. Dam. Hirakud Dam is the longest dam in India. Then next, which is the first Indian color film? Can you know which is the first Indian color film? Yes, it is Kisan Kanya. It is what? Kisan Kanya. Spelling is KISAN. Kisan. KANYA. Kanya. So Kisan Kanya is the first Indian color film. Kisan Kanya is the first Indian color film. Then question number 13. Who is the director of the Chandrayaan 3 mission? Who is the director of the Chandrayaan 3 mission? So the answer is what? Ritu Karidhal. Ritu Karidhal is the director of the Chandrayaan 3 mission. Spelling is RITU. Ritu Karidhal. Karidhal. So, Ritu Karidhal is the director of the Chandrayaan 3 mission. Then next question number 14. What is the total weight of Chandrayaan 3? What is the total weight of Chandrayaan 3? The answer is 3,900 kilogram. How much? 3,900 kg, that is kilogram. So the total weight of Chandrayaan 3 is 3,900 kilogram. Now next come to the question number 15. So in question number 15, who is the first citizen of India? Students, can you know who is the first citizen of India? Yes, it is President. The President is the first citizen of India. Spelling of President is President. President. So the President is the first citizen of India. Then in question number 16, what is the national song of India? Can you know the national song of India? Yes, it is Vande Mataram. It is what? Vande Mataram. The spelling of Vande Mataram is V-A-N-D-E. Vande, M-A-T-A-R-A-M. So, Vande Mataram is the national song of India, which is wrote by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Now come to the next question, that is 17. What is the national anthem of India? So the Jana Gana Man. The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Man. Spelling is J-A-N-A-M-A-N-A. Jana Gana, G-A-N-A-M-A-N-A. So Jana Gana Man is the national anthem of India, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now next come to question number 18. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? So all of you know it is Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the first woman PM, means Prime Minister of India. The spelling of Indira Gandhi is I-N-D-I-R-A. Indira, G-A-N-D-H-I. Gandhi. So Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. So by this we have completed 18 questions. Now we will go to the next question, that is 19. Only 2 questions are remaining. So let's start the 19 question is, in 19 question, who is the current CM of Telangana? Can you know who is the current CM, means Chief Minister of Telangana? Mr. Revanth Reddy. Mr. Revanth Reddy is the current Chief Minister of Telangana. Spelling of Revanth Reddy is R-E-V-A-N-T-H. Revanth, R-E-D-D-Y. Reddy. Mr. Revanth Reddy is the current Chief Minister of Telangana. Now last question, that is question number 20. Who is the Agriculture Minister of India? Means at present time, who is the Agriculture Minister of India? The answer is Mr. Arjun Munda. Mr. Arjun Munda is the current Agriculture Minister of India. At present time, Arjun Munda is the Agriculture Minister of India. The spelling is A-R-J-U-N, Arjun, M-U-N-D-A, Munda. Mr. Arjun Munda is the current Agriculture Minister of India. So by this students, we have completed all the 20 question and answers. So please go through on it, learn by heart all the question and answers, and write it in your CW and fair copy. Bye. We will meet in the next video with next topics. Thank you.